In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block ads on Safari iPhone. We'll use the tools already built into your iPhone to cut down pop-ups, reduce tracking, and make browsing feel cleaner and safer, all without installing extra apps. First, let's stop those annoying pop-up windows. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap Safari. In this menu, look for the option labeled Block Pop-ups and turn it on. This targets the kind of ads that try to open new tabs or full-screen overlays without your permission. It won't remove every banner ad you see on a web page, but it does a great job preventing fake download prompts, misleading prize pages, and other pop-up tricks that interrupt your browsing. Next, we'll strengthen your privacy and security so advertisers and shady sites have fewer ways to follow you around the web. Still in Settings under Safari, find the Privacy and Security section. Turn on Fraudulent Website Warning to have Safari alert you if a site is suspected of phishing or other scams. Then turn on Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. This limits the cookies and scripts advertisers use to track you from one site to another and build a profile for targeted ads. Finally, turn on Hide IP Address from Trackers. Your IP address can reveal your general location and help identify your device across different websites. Hiding it makes it harder for trackers to link your activity together. With these three settings enabled, you'll notice fewer creepy, hyper-personalized ads and fewer shady redirects. A few quick tips can make these protections even more effective. Keep your iPhone updated. New iOS versions often improve Safari's tracking prevention and security features behind the scenes, so staying current helps block more junk automatically. Try to avoid suspicious websites, especially those filled with flashing buttons or too good to be true download links, since they're the biggest source of pop-ups and redirects. And if ads or redirects ever feel extreme, clear Safari's data to reset things. Go to Settings, tap Safari, then choose Clear History and Website Data. This removes history, cookies, and site data, which can break the cycle of persistent pop-ups. Just remember, it will also sign you out of websites and reset site permissions, so only use it when needed. Those simple changes go a long way. If you want even stronger filtering later on, you can explore reputable content blockers from the App Store. But the built-in settings we covered today are a solid, privacy-friendly foundation. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a calmer, safer Safari experience on your iPhone.